Everyone, myself Chandana Premlal, third semester EC student of Christ College of Engineering. I am here to present my project, Automatic Water Level Indicator. Nowadays in our houses we have overhead water tanks, and this shows a common problem, that is overflow water from the water tank. To prevent this, I would like to give an electronic solution. For this, I selected a simple concept to make a circuit that will indicate or that it will date the rise of the water levels in the water tank and gives us alarm on the particular levels. This is a simple transistor based circuit that will help us to indicate the water level. It gives alarms on the particular levels. Here I choose 4 levels. First level is low, then it is medium, then it is high, and finally it is completely filled. The first 3 levels are indicated by the glow of LED, and when it is completely filled, it gives a buzzer and alarm when it's completely filled. Now let's move to and identify whatever components we are required for this. We require a breadboard, 3 resistors, 3 LEDs, 4 transistors, 1 buzzer and some connecting wires. To make the circuit, we need one 9-volt battery, 4 transistors of BC 547, 3 resistors of 330 ohm, 3 LEDs of different color, 1 buzzer and some connecting wires. Working of the circuit. Here we use NPN transistor as a switch. Initially there is no voltage is applied to the base of the transistor, and the transistor is in off state and no current is flowing in emitter and collector and LEDs, and the LEDs are off. In our circuit, whenever the water reaches point A in our low level, the positive side of the battery is connected to the base of the transistor through water. This will lead a positive voltage to the base of the transistor, and this turns on the transistor, and thus the current flows in collector and emitter and in resistor, and the LED glows. Then we can say that our water level reaches our first level and our white LED glows. Thus the same phenomena is used in all our transistors. And when the water reaches our level B, that is our positive side of the battery is connected to the base of the second transistor Q2 through water, and the transistor Q2 turns on and it follows the current flow and our blue LED glows. Similarly, whenever the water reaches point C, as soon as the water reaches point C, the transistor gets turned on, and similarly the current flow happens, and our last LED, our third LED, red LED glows. Thus we can identify that our water level reaches a high level, that is our red LED glows. Finally, whenever the water is completely filled and it reaches the point D, the transistor is turned on, and it gives current flow to the buzzer, and it gives the alarm to us. Thus we can identify that our transistor is completely full, and thus we can cut off the power supply or switch off the power supply and prevent the overflow from the tank. Thus we can save water. Here we already seen what is automatic water level indicator, how the circuit is made and what are the required components, and we also seen the working of the circuit. It has several advantages, like it is very easy to handle and it gives a fast response. It also helps us to prevent the wastage of water and it prevents the wastage of electricity. And it also needs a dedicated controller to control it even more efficiently, and it also is used in many vast areas, wide ranges, like in the storage of water tanks in industries. This concept and the circuit is used to indicate the water levels in tanks as well as in boilers to identify the level of the liquid inside a tank. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank and extend my gratitude to the head of department Rajiv sir and our tutor Srilekha Miss and Deepika Miss, and our institution Christ College of Engineering and its management, also the whole department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. I hope this is helpful and I submit my project by here. Thank you.